Measure down the side post 18 inches. Securely install metal hanger clips. Cut tabs for insert on reefer unit. Hang the plastic header on the clips. Screw the header to the side post by using the provided self-tapping screws. Use drive rivets to secure a header to the ceiling. Lay out the tube chute on the floor. Tubes are marked curbside for the right side and roadside for the left side at front header location. Attach chute tube to Unimax header using the Velcro sewn onto the tube body. Find the first grommet where the body forms a tube. Using this grommet, pull the chute towards the wall, making sure the tube sides are even against the trailer ceiling and attached to the ceiling at this point. Now attach the tube back to the Unimax header on both sides. Pull the body tight and attach to the ceiling of the trailer down the length of the trailer against the sidewall or as close as you can get to it. Repeat these steps to attach the other tube. Your tube chute product is now installed and ready for use.